Today I am reviewing the crucial X9 Pro 4TB Portable SSD. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with performance, because that's where this drive really shines. The crucial X9 Pro offers blazing fast speeds of up to 1050 megabytes per second for both read and write operations. That means you can transfer gigabytes of photos, videos, or project files in just seconds. Whether you're working with high-resolution 4K footage, raw images, or large application libraries, the X9 Pro handles it with incredible efficiency. Unlike traditional hard drives, which rely on spinning disks, this SSD offers no moving parts, meaning not only faster performance, but also far greater durability. The 4TB capacity is another standout feature. You're getting massive storage in a very compact form. That's enough room for hundreds of thousands of photos, thousands of videos, or dozens of massive software projects. And the fact that it's so portable, roughly the size of a credit card, makes it easy to slip into your pocket or camera bag, ready for on-the-go productivity. What really sets the crucial X9 Pro apart, though, is its durability and reliability. This SSD is IP55 rated, meaning it's both water and dust resistant. Great for field photographers, travelers, or anyone working in unpredictable environments. And with drop resistance of up to 7.5 feet, you don't have to panic if you accidentally knock it off your desk or drop it while packing up. It's a rugged little powerhouse built to withstand real-world conditions. In terms of security, Crucial doesn't disappoint. The X9 Pro comes with 256-bit AES hardware encryption, allowing you to password protect your data. That's incredibly important if you're carrying sensitive files, whether personal, professional, or client-related. Combine that with a sleek aluminum casing and built-in lanyard loop for easy tethering, and you've got a drive that's as thoughtful in design as it is in performance. Now let's talk about compatibility, because this is where the X9 Pro becomes a truly universal tool. It connects via USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, but also includes USB-A support via an adapter. That means it works seamlessly with nearly any device: Windows and Mac laptops, iPad Pro, Android phones, Chromebooks, Linux machines, and even gaming consoles like the PS5 and Xbox. It's true plug-and-play versatility without complicated setup. And Crucial sweetens the deal with bonus software. You get 3 free months of Milio Photos Plus, great for organizing and syncing your photo library across devices. You also get Acronis True Image software, which adds backup and cybersecurity features, especially useful for peace of mind. In real-world use, everything about this drive feels premium. From the matte gray finish to the activity light indicator to the silent operation that comes from having no moving parts. Whether you're a content creator editing videos on the go, a gamer expanding your storage, or a business professional transporting critical files, the Crucial X9 Pro provides the speed, space, and security you need. And with over 3,800 customer reviews, averaging 4.5 out of 5 stars, the community clearly agrees. This is not just another storage device. It's a reliable partner for professionals who can't afford to wait or lose data. So if you're looking for a fast, durable, secure, and highly compatible portable SSD, the Crucial X9 Pro 4TB ticks every box. It's powerful enough for professionals, rugged enough for field work, and portable enough for everyday use.